Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be our salsa recipe. We start off by putting 4 jalapenos, 3 tomatillos, and 5 Roma tomatoes on the smoker, and we use the hickory blend. Next, we chop up a white onion and put it in a bowl of water to soak for 15 minutes. Now that the onion has been soaking for 15 minutes, we're going to add everything to the food processor. We start with 3 garlic cloves, all of the onion, and then we start putting the tomatillos, the Roma tomatoes, and we just cut the tops off of the jalapenos. We leave all the seeds inside, and we just put all of that into the food processor and start blending it up. Next up is cilantro. We're just going to cut the stems off, and he actually adds all of this to the food processor. I don't think he normally adds that much, but it is good, so it worked out. Next, we're going to add a pinch of sugar in there. I don't use regular sugar. I use a no-carb version of it. I forget what it is. I think it's like some kind of version of Splenda. So that's what's in there. It's not sugar. And then we're going to put all of 1 lime, the juice of 1 lime in there, and then stir it around a little bit, and then it'll be done. Thank you so much for watching. If you end up trying this recipe, please leave me a comment below and let me know how you liked it. See you in the next one.